See, we have started this chapter, standard costing and variance analysis. I have one more folder. Let me open that too. So in this practice worksheet, we started with I had already cleared the concept of standard costing and what do you mean by variance. So in your syllabus, we have two type of variances, material variances and labor variances. And there are three types in each one of them: material cost variances, material usage variances, and material price variances. Okay, and we've already discussed the formulas as well. Similarly, we have also done labor variances. Three types of the labor variances are cost, rate, and efficiency variances. We have done also, we have also done one practical question. So let us do a few more to make you a little confident for this chapter as well. These are formulas that we have already done. See, these are the formulas. Now, material variances. See, the question, practical question. The standard cost, the standard material cost for a normal mix of 1 ton of chemical X is based on C, chemical A, B, C. There are three types of chemicals that we require to produce 1 ton of chemical X. Okay, we need to mix all these chemicals A, B, and C. Usage means quantity. It is given in the form of kgs. So 240 kg of A, 400 kgs of B, and 640 kgs of C will require to produce material X, chemical X. Okay, and the price per kg is 6 per kg of A, 12 per kg of B, and 10 per kg of C. Rupees price. It is price per kg means it is standard material cost. So the information which is given is related to standard. Now something has to be actual also. So during a month, 6.25 tons, 6.25 tons of material X, chemical X were produced from chemical A, B, C. But how much tons were used? Consumption means actual consumption, actual number of units. Now it is given in the form of tons. We need to convert it in the form of kgs. Please remember. So 1 ton is equals to 1000 kgs. I suppose you know. I hope you know 1 ton is equals to how many kgs?
Yes, sir.
How many kgs?
1000 kg.
Yes, very good. So 1 ton is equals to 1000 kgs. So how much it would be for 1.6 tons? So it would be 1.6 into 1000. That means 1600. No, 160. No? We need to multiply 1000 into 1.6. So let's see what answer we will get out of it.
1600.
1600. And the cost is given 11,200. Cost. We don't need cost. We want price per kg. We want price per unit. So we will have to convert this directly. It is not given. Huh? One is SQ, standard quantity. One is SP, that is standard price. Both are given. And what about actual? We need actual quantity and actual price. Actual quantity is also not in the correct form, and the actual price is also not given the way we want. So we will have to convert it. Okay. Similarly, it is for B and C also. Calculate the material variances. Now, please listen. There is one more thing that we need to note. Standard quantity is given for 1 ton. Company wants to say that if chemical X is produced, 1 ton of chemical X is produced, 1 ton. So, if 1 ton is produced, we will require 240 kgs. We will require 240 kgs. But exactly 1 ton is not produced. We are producing 6.25 tons during a month. So we will have to convert according to 6.25 kg. Now standard quantity has to be converted. Please mind well. Standard quantity has to be converted. How it has to be done, I will explain you. First of all, you need to start your sum with, let me start on a fresh page. Okay. So let me just go down and it's okay. यहाँ से start कर सकते हैं. So sum number 1. Okay. 4 things. We need 4 things, but there are 3 materials. Chemical X, chemical A, chemical B, and chemical C. So we will have to make a table so that we can complete it easily. This is particulars, chemical A, chemical B, chemical C. Okay. How many things we require each for each one of them? 4. SQ, sorry, it is SQ, standard quantity. SR, sorry, R, matlab P. SP, matlab standard price. Okay. And we want AQ, matlab actual quantity, and AP, that is actual price. Actual quantity, actual price, standard quantity, standard price. These are the things that we need. But 3 of them are not given the way I want. 3 of them are not given the way I want. So what will I be doing? Tell me. First of all, standard quantity of A. If you see here the standard quantity of A, just a minute. Anyways, let's start. See, standard quantity, standard price, actual quantity, and actual price. So standard quantity of A. Let us calculate for A first. A. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now he says that for producing 1 ton, we will require 240 kgs. 1 ton, we require 240 kgs of A. 240 kgs of A. Okay, he says that way. So let us make ratio. 1 ton is equals to 240 kgs. But how many tons are to be produced actually? How many tons are produced actually? 6.25 tons. So here it will be 6.25 tons. So how much it would be for 6.25 tons? Cross multiply. So can you tell me what would be the answer? 1 ton is equals to 240 kgs. So how much it would be for 6.25 tons? See, no, it is written here. 1 ton, look at the cursor. 1 ton is equals to 240 kgs for A. Therefore, how many tons are produced? Actually 6.25. So for 6.25, how much it would have been like needed? Come on, quickly, 240 into 6.25. Somebody please help me out with your calculators.
38.4.
38.40 kgs. Are you sure? No, the answer is wrong. आप क्या कर रहे हो? 240
240
into
into 6.25.
हाँ 240 into 6.25 तो कितना आया आपका? 38 कैसे आ रहा है? फिर से करो. 240 into 6.25.
1500.
इतना छोटा आंसर कैसे आ रहा था? तभी मुझे डाउट आया. सो 1500 kgs करेक्ट है इतना? तो मतलब मुझे ए का
Yes, ma'am.
स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी मिल गया ना. ए का स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी इज 1500 kgs. Okay, so this is what I want. Similarly, we have to do it for B. Now for B, making working note is not important. You can do it directly. Come on, do it. And tell me, for 1 ton, it is 400. So how much it would be for 6.25? So 6.25 into 400. What would be the answer of B?
2,500.
Very good. So it is 2,500. And for C, let us calculate for C also. 1 ton is equals to 640 kgs. So how much it would be for 6.25 tons? Therefore 640 into 6.25. 640 into 6.25.
4,000.
4,000 kgs. Sorry. 4,000 kgs. Okay. Now standard price. Standard price is given as we want. It should be per kg, per unit. It is given. Price per kg, 6, 12, 10. It is already given. So here we will write 6 per kg. Okay. You can write rupees 6 per kg. Okay. And sorry. And the second one is 12 and third one is 10. So this is 12 per kg and this is 10 per kg. Okay. Did you understand this much? You have any doubt up to here? Please
Yes, ma'am.
let me know. No? Any doubts? Yes, no, something, please let me know.
No, ma'am.
No, okay. So now actual quantity. What is my actual quantity? It is given for 6.25 only. So no need to cross multiply. It is given for 6.25 only. So no need to cross multiply. It is correct. But it is given in the form of tons. This is the problem. We need to convert it in the form of kgs. So 1.6 tons has to be how many kgs? So here you need to you need to come to the next working note, which is actual quantity. Actual quantity, let's take it for A. It is 1.6, or let's say 1 ton is equals to 1000 kgs. Yes or no? 1 ton is equals to how many kgs?
1,000 kg.
1000 kgs. Therefore, how much will be for 1.60, or you can say 1.6 tons will be how much? So put a question mark here. Tell me, after cross multiplying, what is the answer?
1,600.
Very good. So it would be, why it happens this way, I don't know. Hmm. Why it happens this way? Okay, anyways. So answer would be 1,600 kgs. We just have to convert tons into kgs. So 1 ton is 1,000 kgs. So what would be for 1.6 tons? It would be 1,600 kgs. So we have already found out for A. Similarly, you have to do it for B. So this is 1,600 kgs. Okay. Now you have to find it for B. So B is 2.4 tons. So how much would be for kgs? 2.4 into 1,000.
2,400.
Very good. Last is 4.5 tons. So how much it would be in the form of kgs? Very good. 4,500. You don't need to make working note again and again for A, B, and C separately. If A is made, you have made understood the examiner, no? That this is how we have found out the actual quantity of A. So similarly, we are doing it for B and C on the calculator. Only one has to be like highlighted in the form of working note. The rest on, you can do it on calc directly. Okay. Now actual price. It is not given directly. See, the total cost is given, but price is not given. So simple, very simple. It's a logic that you need to do it with. So I will make you understand that too. You need to make working note for actual price. Suppose we are making it for A. Okay. Now see what is given. The total cost is 11,200, but it is for 1,600 kgs. Now this 1.6 tons is converted into 1,600 kgs, right? So it is given for 1,600 kgs, 11,200 rupees. Total is given, total. So suppose if I make it for A, this is 11,200 rupees for, it is for 1600 kgs. But I don't want for 1600 kgs. I want it for 1 kg. So how much it would be for 1 kg? Simple, cross multiply. For 1 kg, how much it would be? So you just need to cross multiply. After a cross multiplication, you will be able to calculate the answer. So tell me, come on, cross multiply and give me the answer.
Seven.
7, okay. So this would be rupees 7 per, yes, you can write per kg. Per kg. Rupees 7 per kg. So how we need to find out? So simple. I mean, you don't have to you just have to apply a simple formula. And then you are done. Okay. So 7 per kg. How did you do? 11,200 divided by 1600. So it would be 7 per kg. Rupees 7 per kg. Okay. Similarly, you have to find it for B and C. Do it for B and C and let me know. Come on. Tell me for B. 30,000 rupees for 2,400 kgs. So how much it would be for 1 kg?
12.5.
12.5. Okay. So it is 12.50. Next, for C, do it for C also. 47,251 kg for 4,400 kg, 4,500 kgs. So how much it would be for 1 kg?
10.5.
10.5. Okay. See, these things were not given. 3 things were not given. Now, as soon as you find out all the four items, the formula becomes very easy. Now you just have to apply formula. That's it. SQ, ASP, AQ, AP. All these 4 steps are very important. If you find out all these 4 steps, then applying formula becomes very easy. Okay. So let's start with the formulas now. Have you copied this much? Or should I wait for 2-3 minutes for you all? Yeah, okay. I'll wait for 1 more minute. Please copy it down so that we can go further for the formulas.